Whether you're young, just starting out in life, or perhaps peaking in your 30s, trying to get your life together, it is important to know the facts on money management. Once you know the basics, you can position yourself for success and secure a good financial future. Today, we'll be sharing with you 7 facts about money management to help you get on the right track. Number 1. Saving money is important, but so is enhancing your quality of life. It seems like the experts usually advise cutting things out, but that is unrealistic. You see, spending money may result in significant financial savings down the road. Consider how long you will use something, whether you will need to replace it, and whether investing in a higher quality item would result in a longer lasting product. It may be tempting to purchase the cheapest products you can find when shopping for expensive items such as appliances, furniture, or perhaps even clothes. But by selecting timeless products that were built to last, you might actually save money. Before making any significant purchases, do some research to make sure you're getting high-quality items. Number 2. Most people are only interested in the money you can provide, nothing more, nothing less. This could be a tough pill to swallow for some people, but it is absolutely true. Nowadays, the majority only care about what you can offer to them and how much value you can provide. It might be your time, money, or maybe even business. Only your friends and family may be on the lookout for you. Don't take things personally. How does this relate to money then? In order to succeed financially, you must add value to the world. Except if your parents are extremely wealthy and want to leave you a multi-million-dollar inheritance, the one and only way to accumulate wealth is through adding value. For the majority of us, it requires hard work, the old-fashioned way. If you're an employee, your top priority should be to do your job well while also adding the most value possible to the business and satisfying your manager. The truth is that most employers simply care about the value you add to their company, not whether or not you're a great person or how kind you are. Number 3. Continuously taking loans and borrowing money are red flags. You'll get into serious financial trouble if you continuously take loans and borrow money. You wind up obtaining another loan when the last one is due since you took out the first one to cover whatever bills you had. This cycle will continue until you realize you are caught in a situation where you must borrow money to pay the bills. Borrowers remain poor, while investors remain rich and powerful. The majority of wealthy people will place some cash in their interest-earning bank accounts. The bank then lends the same amount of money to other individuals. The interest on the loans will subsequently be paid by the borrowers, with a portion of that money going into one savings account or those of the wealthy. We're not suggesting you shouldn't borrow money at all. Just borrow money wisely. Borrow money for your business, to buy assets that will increase in value, and only for amounts you can comfortably repay. Before you borrow a single penny, you must first have a strategy for paying it back. A warning sign that you may be living over your means is if you frequently find yourself requesting a pay advance. You should only borrow a minimal amount and instead search for minor investments you may make to increase any income you may already have. Number 4. Becoming rich is easier than staying rich. Every other year, the Forbes list of the richest people in the world looks the same, right? This is partly true, but you'd be surprised at how frequently the list changes if we removed the well-known names like Buffett, Bezos, and Gates. Every other year, a huge percentage of those on the list are dismissed. Almost all of them claim that becoming wealthy is easier than maintaining it. You could open your own business, make savvy investments, or inherit a large sum of money, but maintaining wealth necessitates a few qualities that, to put it lightly, not everyone possesses, like humility, self-awareness, and extreme discipline. Number 5. Lending money to family and friends should be a financial choice and not based on emotions. You run a great risk when you lend money to a loved one, since there's a fair chance that they will not repay you. Money is a delicate topic, which could really split families apart and destroy long-standing friendships. Be careful if you engage with or transact with family or friends involving money. Money has an odd way of heating things up and causing conflicts. Always ask them why they need the cash before handing it to them if you are willing to lend them money. It could be a pressing need or something unimportant. Additionally, consider whether you'll be able to afford to lend them the money and forego repayment. Always put yourself first before helping a friend or family member. Number 6. Waste of time equals waste of money. Managing your time well is essential to making money. Imagine this. You will undoubtedly become wealthy at some point in life if every choice you make is motivated by the need to save your time and boost value output. Number 7. Your financial status directly reflects your overall value. Your wealth, whether it be in savings, earnings, or investments, is a true indicator of the value you have contributed to the world. This is the reason why billionaires like Mark Cuban and Bill Gates are wealthy. They founded businesses that have enormously increased in value and positively impacted the lives of millions of people worldwide. You might believe that you are too young or rich to manage your money properly. Your explanations may even be acceptable, but only in the short run. When the time comes for you to make a financial plan, it could be too late because you've already spent all of your money. Besides that, even with meticulous planning, unpredictable expenses can still emerge. But as you gain knowledge, you should feel more confident about reaching your short and long-term financial objectives. Adding these 7 money management facts to your financial literacy is a good place to start. Which of these facts about money management do you wish you had known when you were younger? Please let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inlet Financial Coaching channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.